Hi besties! So, it's Burmans and ready na talaga ang Robinson's Place sa pa-Christmas lights. So, in this video, it's weekend. Obviously, nasa Robinson's Mall kami dahil ipapasyal namin itong bata since matagal na rin siyang hindi lumalabas ng bahay. School, bahay lang siya for 2 weeks. So, syempre, naboboard siya. So, yeah, nag-request siya na mag-malling. And, yeah. So, if you can see na lagi siyang nakahawak ng cellphone or hawak ng iPad. So, guys, don't judge me. Minsan, pinagsasabihan ko rin siya na too much cellphone or iPad use is not good and that he can only use it during weekends, Saturday, Sunday, or pag walang school and activities like that. So, in here, we plan to eat first before we go around the mall. So, we are here in Takoyadon. So this is our food for today's video. Charing. Ayan. May takoyaki. What is this? Beef. Chicken teriyaki, beef. And then ramen. So lahat naman masarap. So, ciao guys!
Sarap? Ito lang. An expectation de...
Ba't ka wala yung pera sa baki?
Hindi ko pa na
I'm learning this every day.
Masarap ito.
So yummy!
This is hot.
Only you share. Don't eat all. What's this? What is this?
Bacon and cheese.
Bacon and cheese?
Oh, you blow ma mainit.
Okay, mamaya. Ano? Yay. Not here.
Gosh, oatmeal. Buti na lang meron na silang ganito dito. So, sa online ako bumibili for my coffee. So, yan. Kuha tayo ng isa and then isang almond breeze milk. So, tapos na tayo mag-grocery. So, let's go. And ang next stop namin is Uniqlo. We have to buy something for Niall. Some t-shirts. So, yeah. Let's go.
That is Roblox? Oh, Roblox. Ito na naman si Vice Mayor. Mama, ang cute oh. Wait lang.
It's nice.
Oh yeah, nice.
But it's too basic. Oh, look this one. 110, maliit.
Lang, liit oh. Parang kabayo. Toy! No! Nyuk, nyuk.
What else do you have? Oh, this one here. Oh.
Rambo.
Come here.
What do you want? Let me see the box. Nothing!
Dating, pangit-pangit.
Huh?
Ba't may tatak naman daw? Parang pain lang siya.
Ha! KJ!
Naubos na yung mga designs.
Ha! Your Thompson!
Ayan na. So, iba pa. Ayan.
Paldo ba yun?
This one.
Yan
ka.
Want to kilo. Paldo.
Paldong-paldo.
KJ! Patay! Patay!
Advantage card, ha?
Patay.
May fee na ba yun? Free. Ay, hindi na.
Nilagayan si